Professional Video Production Course. In the 21st century, many companies require advanced visual communications to connect and spread information about their products and services to the rest of the world. Visual communication is a skill that is both essential and in demand. This course focuses on the specifics of how to use a leading-edge camera platform, a DSLR-like camera, to its full potential so that you are then able to succeed in shooting a professional quality video project. The nature of the project, documentary, film, music video, corporate video, business video, educational video, and so on is not what is essential. The core skill of using your camera effectively is something that can be taken with you and applied to make media of any type as required in your future endeavors. After taking the course, you will be able to shoot any type of video, and most importantly, will be able to avoid many of the production mishaps that can happen when doing live recordings of audio and video. Even if you have used many cameras before, in many projects, production is something that must constantly be learned and relearned so as to maintain the skills at high level, and thus ensure every new production is as good or better than the last. Specifically, you will also learn about the pre-production, production, and post-production process. You will learn about directing, camera work, lighting, video editing, sound editing, and other key aspects to media creation. Remember, these skills will help you to become or stay a quality media producer. The skills will help you connect your vision to the ever-increasing number of people in the world who connect visually through smartphones, tablets, laptops, computers, and smart TVs. As a media producer, you have the opportunity to reach an ever-increasing browsing population in one of the most effective forms, video. What knowledge and tools are required? No previous experience necessary. Who should take this course? This course teaches the foundations of video production. It is a guide for beginners to learn professional video technologies and techniques. It benefits anyone who wants to produce high-quality video. The lessons will help beginners to avoid pitfalls and mistakes, which can compromise a production. Intermediate and professional videographers will also benefit from a review of the material. What will students achieve or be able to do after taking your course? Students will learn how to plan productions, how to use a DSLR-like camera, how to light a scene, and how to perform post-production. Enroll in our comprehensive professional video production course on Udemy.